asking what to do when you have a Navy Fed credit card and you're paying on time every month, but your credit score just like staying at the low 600s. So if your credit score is staying at the low 600 and you have any credit card, like I don't care if it's the Navy Fed credit card or what credit card you have, if you have any credit card and your credit is staying like stagnant, you want to see if you can delete any negative items from your credit reports. First of all, try to remove like the collections charge off, work on removing that. You want to make sure that you're keeping the balance in your credit card low too. So make sure you keep the balance in your credit card low. I always tell you guys, don't spend more than 5%. That's very necessary, you guys. But don't spend more than 5% of your credit card so that you can make sure you have the best credit score that you could possibly have with what you have on your credit reports. And on top of that, you want to make sure you have multiple credit card. So if the Navy Fed credit card is all you have, if the Capital One, if you had a Capital One, if that's the only credit card you have, I suggest that you just get more credit accounts so that you don't have just this one account that's reporting every month. You want to have 4 or 5 accounts, 6 accounts reporting every month, saying that you're paying on time and the balance is low or the account is being paid off, and that's going to really help boost your credit score. And on top of boosting your credit score, it's going to be a gradual thing when it comes down to boosting your credit score with these accounts sometimes, because every month you may just see, hey, I'm going up, 10 points this month. Next month, I'm going to go up 15. It's going to be a gradual thing when you get your credit. So when you get all your credit cards and they all added to your credit reports, it's going to be like a gradual increase. Especially after everything is added and you see the bank like, oh my gosh, my credit score jumped so much. After all that excitement, it's going to be gradual. Like, oh, I went up 10 points this month. Oh, I went up 15 points, especially if you're keeping the balance on your credit cards. And eventually, you need that history. You need the time. Your credit score is going to continue to go up and up and up and up and up. But again, make sure you have at least 4 credit cards. Make sure you have at least 2 installment accounts on your credit reports, and you keep the balance low on your credit cards, and you're paying on time for your installment accounts and on your credit cards. And you should see your credit score, creep up there. But make sure you have enough accounts reporting.